Hey everyone. Okay, so I got my Pipsticks order in, and I got the classic. I get the classic and the kids version, and I don't know what. My ring is bothering me. January's. It's already January. It's already almost the end of January. Crazy, crazy, you guys. Time is flying. So let's see what we got this month. So we get 15 stickers. And oh my gosh, how cute is that? You should be able to see it now with my white background. So let me scooch it in. And then we'll go from there. So leggings, leg warmers. So like a total 80s theme. This is an 80s theme. So you get 15 stickers. Oh my god, this is like my childhood right here. Let me see, can you guys see that? Let me see. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yep. That is childhood. So you get 15 stickers for $19.25. So those are cute. So I'm going to move those out of the way. You can see that one. Don't get your scrunchies in a bunch. How cute. And then more of the troll dolls and the bolitas. That's what Mexicans call them, are bolitas. And basically knuckle crackers, right? So the knuckle crackers there's two different kinds, so that's cute. And oh my gosh, so cute. And hairspray, oh my goodness. You guys have to see this one a little closer. Not like that. Well, let's see. There you go. So the swatch, oh, the hamburger phone, the candy bracelet, the bubble tape, the straightener. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. And then you have the black background, the bowling shirt, bowling. The sentiments, oh my gosh, sentiments, alphabet, the alphabet. Oh my gosh, how funny. And then, let me see if I can do it like this, without being too blinding. Oh, look at this one, you guys. The unicorn is so pretty. Oh, that's beautiful. Bodacious, tubular, oh barf. Radical, smooth move, X-lax, oh my gosh, as if, eat my shorts, oh my gosh, how cute. Oh my gosh, and look at the postcard. I love the postcard. Oh yeah, I love the postcard. Okay, that was awesome. That was worth $19.25. So yes, super jazzed about this one. That is awesome. Okay, let's move that one aside and let's go to the kids pack. Oh, that one was cute. Let's see what the kids pack gets us. Okay. It's not used to having such a white background, you guys, so it's having a little bit harder time to figure out where the beginning is. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Let me go with this one. You have the bear and the rainbow. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look at this one. Is that not cute? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this bright neon pink. Oh yeah, this right here is childhood. Bright neon pink. There is no other pink than the 80s pink. So cute. Oh, more dress ups. So a prom. It's almost like a prom. Cute. Oh, then you have hearts. Then you have, oh, look at these pigs. This right here, 80s pink. Yep. So cute. Then you have borders. The borders. I don't have any other. Oh wait, maybe I have a paper. Hold on. I have a paper. Oh, look at the kitties. Oh, how cute. You see how glary they are? That's how shiny and pretty they are in real life. In person. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh, so cute, you guys. These are wonderful. $19.25. 15 stickers. Can't beat it. You see the stash I have, you guys. It's amazing what 2 packs of these each month get you. I'm like, oh my god. I had to change from a little container to a big container. And I'm loving them. I'm trying to use some as IPLs, so as a project life. Oh, I love these. Look at their cupcakes. Oh, how cute is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Scratch and sniff popcorn. Oh my lordy. I love these so much. Wow. Oh, look at the little pig. Oh, that's the postcard, you guys. And last but not least, puffy stickers, which are my absolute favorite thing to get in this kit, are the puffy stickers. They're all puffy, puffy, puffy. Oh, yeah. Ugh, I love it, you guys. Worth it. So worth it. So amazing. This is my favorite. This one right here. So when we get these, I think every month, these two are my favorite that we get. Are the scratch and sniff and the puffies. I love this 80s pink though. Oh yeah, I love this whole kit. Awesome month. Great job, Pipsticks. Love it. All right guys, take care. Bye.